Hey, what's going on, guys? Daniel from ModBot here, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily fix your Boston Model 18 or 19 pencil sharpener. This is a really awesome pencil sharpener, but there is a gear that is faulty inside that over time from heat basically deteriorates and breaks, and through 3D printing we are able to get this up and running like new again. So for starters, we're going to go ahead and remove the screws on the bottom. All you'll really need is a replacement gear and a Phillips screwdriver to get this done. I'll link you guys in the description to where you can download and print your own gear replacement, or if you don't have one, I'll also link you guys in the description to where you can buy a replacement gear for your 18 or 19 Boston pencil sharpener. So once you get the bottom off, you're basically going to take the inside out, remove the plastic housing. It'll just pop right out. You pull it up. This black gear right here is actually the replaced gear, so I'm going to show you guys basically how to remove it, or how to take it and replace it. So you're going to take off the two screws on the side, as you can see me doing here. If you have a gear that's just kind of deteriorated over time, you'll have to pop it off like I show you here. If not, and yours is just snapped off, then obviously you'll just be putting a new gear in place and you won't have to remove one. So once you take those screws off, if you just grab the pencil sharpening part with your right hand and pull, it should pop right out. You might have to give it a little bit of force depending on how old it is, but this is the gear. Again, I'm just going to put it back on that you're replacing it with. You have one flat side and one side that sticks out. You're going to put the part that sticks out towards the pencil sharpener, the actual mechanism that you just pulled on a second ago. So all you do is stick the end of the pencil sharpener attachment on the right side through the hole and have your gear on the other side, and you just kind of line them up. It does take, it's hard to do on camera, but it does take a little bit of time to get it in, and you have to use some force to make sure that it's seated correctly. Again, if you get a 3D printed model replacement, like in the link, you might have to do a little bit of filing and sanding, but it shouldn't be too difficult. So once it's back on, you can go ahead and place the plastic part over that you just took off a second ago, and go ahead and put those two screws back in. What we're going to do right now before we reassemble everything is just go ahead and plug in the printer, and not printer, the pencil sharpener, and test out that it is working. That way you don't have to, you know, take it in, take it out. You'll know beforehand. So just screw this back into place, and obviously be careful when you're testing the pencil sharpener. You know, when it's plugged in and it's not in its case, it'd be pretty unlucky for you to hurt yourself, but still, just be smart. And if all went well, once you have this plugged in and you insert a pencil, it should be turning the gear and sharpening the pencil, as you can see here. So we are good to go. We're going to go ahead and place it back in the plastic housing and insert the screws, and it's good to go. You have fixed your Boston 18 or 19 pencil sharpener, which is kick-ass. If for some reason it's not turning the gear correctly, then you might have to do a little bit more filing, or just basically use some pressure to readjust the gear on the little standoff that it sits on. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, links will be in the description to where you can either purchase or download the file for yourself. And don't forget to smack the like button. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Daniel from ModBot. Don't forget to subscribe for more great videos, and I will see you in my next video. Peace, guys.